Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the demo mode on your Poco phone. To do it, go to the Settings app. Then go to About Phone, Detailed Info and Specs, and click on OS version 7 times. When it shows you are a developer, you can go down to Additional Settings, then go to Developer options, which have just been enabled, and now scroll down until you see the demo mode. You can enable that, turn on, and now you're in the demo mode, and now it's off. What it does, it basically just changes this bar at the top to display the full signal and the full battery. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.